I want to give you a little bit of information about using appointment slots. When you are in your regular Google Calendar, you can turn on the calendar that was shared with you for tutoring, and you'll see a series of events show up. Now, if you focus in right over here, you'll notice three different events at the same time. The first one represents the appointment that I, as the student, picked up, and that's in purple, which is the same color as my regular calendar. These events that have a little grid in them indicate that that's the event that created the appointments on the appointment calendar. The third one right here is what will show up when a student makes an appointment or takes up one of those appointment slots. So you as the teacher are only going to see these two, and on my calendar they're a gray color. So when it's time for your tutoring appointment as the teacher, you'll click here and access the Google Meet link. Now, these links are not created until the student picks up the appointment. If a student decides to cancel the appointment, they can do so within their own Google Calendar. They'll click on that appointment slot that they picked up and then remove it from the calendar by clicking the trash can. They don't need to send it, although some students may do so. Now, when I go to look at the calendar again, if I refresh this one, the appointment calendar, you will see on that day that the appointment is now available for another student to select. If you click on the appointment here in your calendar, you will see that the student has declined the event or that they are no longer going to attend. That's a way that you as the teacher can see not to expect the student at that time. Some people are surprised when they go to an appointment calendar that they see their own Google Calendar events show up. That's only because you're logged into your Google account. When someone else goes to access the appointment slot calendar, they'll see their own calendar. Another thing to note, while these do say physics on them, if you look in the bottom right-hand corner, you can see what the name of the appointment calendar is, so you can see which appointment calendar you are working in. In the upper right-hand corner, you can see the account that is being used to select the appointments.